Good afternoon, everybody. This is Robbie here at Kris Willis RV in Dexter, Missouri. Today we're going to talk about our Wildwood X-Lite Platinum Series. This model number is a 28 VBXL. So we're walking around. It's got the power tongue jack on it, the front storage compartments. This particular unit has power electric jacks. Remember, guys, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Has a centralized sewer hookup, 6-gallon gas electric water heater, city water connection, and a black tank flush. Cable satellite hookups. Comes with the spare tire. This side over here. This particular unit has the dual outside speakers, the huge awning, and underneath the awning has the very nice outside kitchen, refrigerator, Blackstone grill top, which this is actually the Elite Series by Suburban. We're going to walk on inside. When we walk inside, has the huge countertops with the double sink, the 3-burner range top, huge 10 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator, massive freezer on this unit. Come on upside, has the restroom. When you walk in, medicine cabinet, toilet with a walk-in shower. We're going to go to the back. This particular unit has the dual bunks beds on the sides, which actually raises up. It has the sofa on the bottom that'll actually make into a bed too. So all kinds of room for the kiddos. As we're walking up the side, this particular unit, it's table. This is actually a little different setup Wildwood has. It's called a Versa Lounge. So when you have your TV on the wall over here, this particular unit is actually set up and designed where you can lay on it with a backrest. Now the backrest actually turns around to make a U-shaped dinette, and then all of this makes sleeping area. As we're walking up the side, yeah, huge TV area, sound bar, fireplace. We're going to step into the bedroom here. Walk into the bedroom. This has the Wildwood's custom king-size mattress with the closets on both sides of the bed.